This video will dive into the most advanced data analytics techniques every business should know. First up, regression analysis. It helps predict future trends based on historical data, guiding strategic decision-making. Next, cluster analysis. This technique groups data points with similar characteristics, revealing valuable insights for targeted marketing and segmentation. Factor analysis comes next. It uncovers underlying factors driving complex relationships in data, offering deeper understanding and actionable insights. Time series analysis is crucial for understanding trends over time, allowing businesses to forecast future patterns and make informed decisions. Monte Carlo Simulation enables businesses to model various outcomes and assess risks in complex scenarios, ensuring robust planning and strategy. Finally, Cohort Analysis. It groups customers based on shared characteristics, providing insights into behavior patterns and customer life cycle. And there you have it. The most advanced data analytics techniques to empower your business. Ready to unlock your data's potential? Contact ValueCoders today at www.valuecoders.com.